Welcome to this video. We will be presenting the usage of this rope grab stop cable on this vertical lifeline. First, you have to put in the stop cable. Make sure that it is secured on the wire rope. Now, attach the stop cable onto the harness. After it is attached safely, you can start to ascend the cat ladder. Upon ascending the cat ladder, the stop cable will automatically follow you up. If any slips were to happen, the stop cable will stop your fall and you will have to immediately hold the ladder to avoid any trauma.
Make sure you wear a proper harness, helmet and safety shoe before you climb on this cat ladder. Okay. Stay safe. Okay.